Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Today I will continue the flower series. So I created the yellow, the red, no, not the red, the yellow, the orange and the pink. So I was thinking of going with a red flower today, but I wanted to go more towards the violet. And that's why I decided to create a bloom with red violet, but around the bottle more of a pink violet color. This is red violet mixed with white. Very excited going with a darker color here, and let's see how this works out. Alright, so as you can see, this canvas is scraped, but that's totally fine. So I will just layer a white base. It does look like it's sinking a bit in the middle here, but I'm starting with this canvas now, so let's keep going. Okay, let's pour some more white here. Let's torch the air bubbles. I'm very excited about this flower series because I'm not using a lot of colors as well. So this is a violet red, and that's by Amsterdam. It's one beautiful color. Then I'll be using the Van Dyke brown, gold, and then around that the violet red mixed with white. Somehow every time I'm just not placing the bottle in the center really. This is exciting. Let's blow it out. I think these colors are beautiful. Alright, so I will define the petals a bit more and drag the white towards the middle here. Let's torch the middle. Nothing is happening, but that's okay. That's totally fine, because lately I'm not liking that many cells in my paintings. Let's spin it. You see what I meant with the gold? You know, it's really distorted, those parts. But I will definitely be tweaking that after I'm done spinning. I'm loving this one and this one. It's beautiful. The center, I would have liked to see more gold there, really, like in these three. Okay, I'm so loving this color palette. That is beautiful. It's really beautiful. Alright, I am gonna tweak. So this petal and this petal needs a lot of tweaking. Here I will tweak just a little to make it more natural. And these two I will just leave as if. So I'm taking my silicone wedge. Let's start just with this one. Or maybe I can just do it with... I definitely need to scrape here some parts. So I will make this white later again, but first I keep continuing tweaking this. this one is quite nice now. Okay, so this part definitely needs some scraping. Okay, let's fill it up with the white again. Oh, adding the white back is not the most easy part, I can tell you. It's always a little bit of a challenge. But you know, in the end, it's all worth it. No, no, what did I do with this one? I messed it up a bit. I really messed this one up now. Okay, I need to spin it just a little bit. This one is now really, it's messing up with the composition a bit. But I'm not gonna do anything about this painting anymore because I think it will dry nice. And I can always touch up later with some white when it's dry, because I think that must be needed in this one. I'm loving this color palette and I think it's a great add-on to the pink one there. So yeah, let's bring you up for the dried end result. Or no, maybe, I'm looking at it, since this one is now quite off balance, maybe this one doesn't need to go over the edge here. And then it looks much better. So no dried end result yet. Yeah, I think now that looks better. So definitely for these paintings, composition is key. So I'm never worried when the spin out just doesn't look that right, because I can tweak to my liking. Okay, now it's time to bring you up for the dried end result.